Hello everyone. Under this series of Excel tips and tricks, today I'm going to talk about once we create the pivot table, there's an option to filtering the data. So we have an option given. Not only our database have a filter option, but pivot table also created out of the data set can also have a filtering option. So I will show you with a better example so that you can be knowing what I am going to explain about. So this is my data set where I'm going to create a pivot table out of this. So clicking OK, I want to create it in my existing data set and clicking finish here. This is my student name and this is my gender and these are the marks the people got obtained. And under the design, I'm just going to change my report layout to tabular format so that it looks clear. So if this is my records, for example, if I want to filter here also, we can do filtering. I want only male records. And if we want the names of the students, we can do the filtering also here this way. So many people are not sure about how to filter it, and this is the one way that we can filter it out. Or the other way to do this is if you go to the data set, for example, here ID number, you can create, you can choose like this as well, and drag and drop kind of thing also can be done here in the required data set. In this case, for example, if I want, I already put this in my row label and I want to filter here also female. Okay, these are the female records. Now, if you see, there is an icon which got filter appeared. That means this is a filtered data. And if you doesn't want to filter it out, you can simply click select all. Okay. That means any database can be filtered normally, and also the pivot information which you got also can be filtered. So that was the one thing that I want to explain about you. And there is something called filter section here where you can also put like this, and you can filter the records like this. Now you see only this is the male and this is my data record for that male. And this is again, if I want to select under the filter, you can select only female section. And the another thing which I already talked about in my previous videos, where now you want to publish these records of the male and female in a separate sheet tabs. So there is no need for us to, again, I need to copy this data and paste it in another Excel sheet. There is nothing that we can do. The simplest way is you can go to the pivot table under the options, show filter reporting pages. So you filtered the gender. Now I'm clicking OK. Now if you see, female record got published. Okay. Now, for example, I selected both. Okay. Now I'm deleting this female record, and there is a data already in this category. Now I want to publish show report with a gender category. So it is created two sheets now. Earlier it is created only female. Why? Because it is under the filtered section. Now the filtered section has been created two more sheets called what are the female students and what are my male students. So this is already discussed in one of my previous videos. I just want to tell or reiterate this. Not only the filtering, and after the filtering also there is other things that we can do. And in the filter section only you can do it, and we can drag it, and we can also see whether this data is been with filtered or non-filtered data is been put into the pivot. That also we can observe with this small arrow button here. Okay, if it is filtered, then there is a filter icon appearing on that data heading. So just keep this point in your when you are doing the pivot uh, table options. So thank you all. Thanks for watching my video.